Hi guys, I miss cement like normally people use cement like this. So I coming up with all this stuff left over from my fish tank. Now I put on decoration on Mickey Mouse, and you see there's a Mickey Mouse. This guy got a little bit. The eye gotta be not good stand. I use a stand. I make this stand. You can see this stand. I make it. For last couple of years when more than about 5 years we make it a little bit and make a stand, so I left over, so I use this stand to make a cement. They're coming out not bad, you can see it. Alright, all this just so far four. I'll try to make more for you to see. All this everybody can decoration. I use just a bowl like that, you can see. This again, I don't want to lose it, so that's why more HD. When we stamp it on, you can see it's nice and beautiful. I don't do no more for decoration no more for this one because it's such enough. Too much. Look at this one. Look good. You can see it, right? And the first do this a lot. Okay, we have about 3 more to be done. Alright guys, I make an even cement for this one. You can see it. Use this. First thing you put a little oil on the bottom. Sometimes you use black this to make some designs, okay? And then you make even this up. I remove this Mickey Mouse thing. I don't do beginning, but everybody know how to make a cement. First thing I put the compressed cement on the bottom. And next one I put the cement which sand on the second floor, and then when you stand you don't get rock. Also on the bottom you put a little rock on, make a more strong. Beside that you want to put like some metal. I need some metal already. Everybody know if you make a white this one you don't need to put a metal, because if you have a metal on, let's see the metal small one, you don't need big, and they hold together more longer and more strong. This time I stamp it, I water Mickey Mouse a little bit, I clean it up. So right now this one I'm going to be decoration again for you see. That's all I can do for you. This one I just remove after I set up video because of myself. Now you can see all this. Okay, this, that, and I like most. I like stock size and small. You can keep them in the deck, or you can put them on the ground whenever you step in, you don't want to dirty your shoe, and then you can do that. All the two I have, just that. And the brush, also, I don't need a lot of stuff to make this product. You need that. Make sure you're in the center, rock. You do Mickey Mouse easy. Mickey Mouse give you a stand, good stand. This is a fake Mickey Mouse. I cut it out and that's all I do. I leave at least about a minute to be okay, and then I remove it. Here guys, you can see the stand I just removed by a minute. Sometimes a little bit thing that you can correct it by use this. So nice. sometimes this, sometimes I do very like stuff. Something that I don't like, I choose right now. And cement, they dry. Okay guys, this one gonna talk about how long it's gonna be dry. I usually leave in at least about 2 days, maybe more better. 2 days or more better. So the time that be dry is dry and you don't be cracking no more. So what I work on. Alright, after 2 days, I'm really based on the wafer and everything, nothing deep. Okay, dry enough. Now I'm going to try to remove this. You can see here. I'm going to remove this, okay my friend? Look nice, not bad. This is called a step cement or step stone. Sometimes you want to step them inside somewhere that you don't want to dirty your shoe, blah blah blah. You know, around to be a water. So this one is a good one. I'm going to try to show you the final. Now we're going to be remove the cement off. Okay. It's a 2 day. See this coming out nice. Same thing with this. With this. Now we got all the steps you made. Nice. Even here, we put a little rock in. This is coming out nice. Okay, look, I like this. A little bit cheap here, it's okay. Cheap a little bit, it should be. It's cheap a little bit. This one wasn't cheap much. This one look beautiful. Do it from here to come out. And this one, not bad at all. We scrape a little bit. Look, cement out. Let them dry for a while. Now it's final. Okay guys, this one, put it on for you see. Okay, see? And can you put the camera here? The final bit here is a big compared, really big compared to this. Oh, look good. After 2 days cement, my friend, leave them along 2 days. And this is coming out. This one, you can see when I put them in back here, it's really see my stand. So I stand this for kids, fun, but for decoration it's beautiful. Alright, thank you guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe to me.